if you could type one or something in the chatting box so we know that you can hear us and it's very clearly. Okay, that's great. Thank you. Right hand. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, thank you very much for coming to today's webinar. And it's for a while, right? So because we have not arranged any webinar for the past like 2 weeks, I think, and it's been a while. We see you guys and you see us. And today that will be a very exciting webinar topic. And we have invited the Professor Yu Xiaojun from the School of Automation to give us the topic of the school open day for today. And Professor Yu's topic will include the information of introduction to the School of Automation, introduction to the offered programs in the school, and he will also introduce the research facilities and directions of the school and his research team. And also, he has 2 very excellent students who will share their experiences for studying at NPU. And I will give you a short introduction about Professor Yu. Professor Yu has received his Ph.D. from the School of Electronical and Electronic Engineering, NTU Singapore. And he is also an IEEE senior member. And his main research interests include optical imaging, right? Bioimaging, biomedical signal imaging, image processing, and robotic control. So if you are interested in such fields, and you will be very excited to hear his topic for today's webinar. So let's welcome Professor Yu to give us the great speech today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for the introduction. Okay,
I will leave this for you. You can share the screen. It's open already. So let's just share the screen here. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for attending this webinar. My name is Yu Xiaojun from School of Automation, Northwestern Polytechnical University. So today I'd like to briefly introduce our school, the School of Automation. So just now the host has introduced me, so I just skip this slides. This is outline of this presentation. Firstly, I would like to briefly introduce our university and then our school, as well as our department. And finally, I would like to introduce my 2 students to share their study experience in our university. As most of you may know, our university is initially built in 1985, and now it has built upon the legacies of 3 major predecessors, which are Northwestern Engineering Institute, Eastern China Aeronautics Institute, and the People's Liberation Army Military Engineering Institute. Our university is located in the historic city of Xi'an, which is the cradle of Chinese civilization and terminus of the ancient Silk Road. Our university is the only multidisciplinary and research-oriented in China that is simultaneously developing education and research programs in the field of aeronautics, astronautics, and marine technology engineering. So we have this is the overview of our university. For example, we have over 300 students and 53 plus 100 plus faculties, as well as 0.2 million alumni. We have 27 schools, as well as 5 subjects clusters ranked in the top 1% in the world university. So now our school is initially founded in 1959, and in 1970 it merged with the Harvard Institute of Military Engineering, and with 60 years development, it has become one of the biggest schools in our university. Currently, we have 200 plus faculty and staff. Each year, we accept 230 undergraduate students and 240 postgraduate students, as well as 30 international students. Our school has numerous academicians and national talents. Here are some selected national talents. Currently, there are approximately 190 faculty members in our school. 95% have their doctor's degree, and over 80% have overseas educational experience. Now our school has 1,400 bachelor students, 100 plus foreign students, and around 400 PhD candidates. All the above student members ranked #1 in our university. Currently, we also have 3 key disciplines certified by Professional Engineering Education of MOE, which are automation, electrical engineering and automation, as well as robotics engineering. Our school has played as key role in national engineering programs such as manned space flight, lunar exploration project, new large aircraft, and high-resolution Earth observation system major projects. We have numerous key contributions in rare earth motors, UAS, and multi-target tracking. Here are some national awards our school has received over the past few years. Currently, we have many research grants approved by the nation. For example, we have 190 plus national projects, 100 plus NSFC projects, and since the 20th five-year plan, our school has received 0.5 billion research grant. Well, in the 13th five-year plan, our funding has increased dramatically. Both national awards and research papers also increased steadily over the past few years, as shown in the 2 figures. Here are some key research directions in our university. For example, the information fusion, smart sensing, robotics, flight control, navigation guidance, artificial intelligence, and rare earth motors, and some as well some other emerging interdisciplinary directions. For example, the brain-like visual and auditor computing, high throughput bioinformation processing, and intelligent information processing and fusion, etc. We have 5 departments in our school, which are intelligent science and technology, navigation, guidance and control, electrical engineering, detection technology, and autonomous and automation systems, as well as control science and engineering. Here are some research fields, detailed research fields carried out in our university, in our school. For example, the intelligent target detection, target tracking, and identification, bionic information perception and fusion processing, as well as air and space unmanned system, multi-sensor collaboration, and optimization. We have many key contributions in the research on basic service, development of information fusion systems, as well as system integrations and military and general aviation, no altitude surveillance. The research fields of our second department is the modern flight control system design, autonomous flight control technology, active control technologies, robust flight control technologies, as well as intelligent flight control and fault-tolerant control strategy design. The main contributions of our second department is that it is one of the earliest and most complete scientific research and innovation programs for aircraft flight control and navigation in China. As for the third department, actually it is the department of mine. Our research fields include advanced inertial navigation and navigation guidance, multi-source non-destructive testing, smart sensor design and application, multi-party dynamic systems, robotic system designs, and bioinformation technology, as well as EEG-based BCI signal processing. The main research fields of our fourth department are intelligent control methods design, intelligent flight control and management, unmanned systems, swarm intelligence, collaborative and distributed control, as well as intelligent transportation systems. As for the NASA department, Department 5, its main research fields include rare earth permanent magnetic motors, electromagnetic servo control, aerospace and spacecraft power systems, higher power electromagnetic pulse and plasma stirrers technology, as well as new energy power generation technology and smart grid. Our school has hosted many international cooperation projects and established cooperation work between school and international researchers. We have also hosted various international academic conferences. For example, for the SCC conference in 2013, there are 1,500 plus attendance during that conference. We have also have the special zone for outstanding talents. These are some international cooperation research labs that has been established during the past few years. Here are some pictures of the international conferences that have hosted by our school. these are some other pictures. So okay, now let me introduce some of the programs offered by our university. Actually, we have two kinds of programs, which are undergraduate programs and postgraduate programs. For the undergraduate program, we have two disciplines. One is automation, and the other one is electrical engineering and automation. Well, for postgraduate program, we have two majors. One is control science and engineering, and the other one is electrical engineering. We also offer some short-term exchange programs. For example, the competition programs, the robotic programming programs, as well as UAV design clubs. Each year, we have 100 plus students to attend this kind of short programs. Among them, there are dozens of foreign students participating in this kind of competition programs. We have also have numerous academic activities during the each year, and some other social gathering events every year. So now let me introduce the detection technology and automation systems in our department. Actually, our research is focused on the act of detecting signals and controlling our body. For example, we can detect we aim to detect external signals to drive to move and then utilize such kind of external signals to move the bodies and also conduct some desired operations. And the main research fields of our research team focus on the following fields. For example, the robotic system design and applications, application-oriented sensor designs, non-destructive testing using sound, light, electricity, and magnetism. The other topic also includes inertial navigation and navigation positioning technologies, as well as EEG-based brain computer interface technologies and OCT optical imaging. These are some kind of facilities offered in our research group. These are some of apple harvesting robots, as well as working robots in our lab, developed in our lab. The fourth detection and the multi-phase flow identification research direction mainly focus on the signal decomposition and feature extractions, applying deep learning mechanisms onto fault monitoring and detection, as well as CNN-based image identifications. These are some application areas of our research topics. For example, the aerospace areas, the wearable device, flexible displays, biologic structure detection, building structure health monitoring, etc. The positioning and navigation systems are used for guided muscle alignment and navigation, high precision vehicle positioning and orientation, as well as transfer and alignment for air weapon systems. and civil aircraft navigation. These are some EG-based system controls, which I'm carrying out in my lab. And the other research topic is OCT systems. We are built some OCT systems and use some such kind of systems to detect some biological tissues to get the cross-sectional images, three-dimensional images as well. Yes, these are some OCT systems that we have developed in our lab. These are some biological tissue images that we have acquired during the experiments. And this is a 3D insect compound eyes and the swine eye tissue. And this is the reticuli image ex vivo. And these are some images of our fingertip, which is acquired by the OCT system developed in our lab. And these are some in vivo tissues. So after the introduction of our university, our school, and the department, as well as our research team, let me give a summary of this presentation. So we would like to say that NPU is the only multidisciplinary, multi-disciplinary and research-oriented university in China that is simultaneously developing education and research programs in the field of aeronautics, astronautics, and marine technology engineering. And our School of Automation is one of the biggest school in NPU with three disciplines certified by Professional Engineer Education of MOE, which are automation, electrical engineering automation, as well as robotics engineering. We have also have doctor programs and postdoc research stations offered for students. So this is my WeChat account. If you want to know more details about our school, you may scan this QR code and add me as your contact. We can talk in detail further. So now I give this talk to my two PhD students, which are Zulkifal and Mudasir. They can share some of their learning experiences in NPU. And later, if you have any further questions, you just let us know. Hello, Zulkifal.
Yes, Professor. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Thank you for such a wonderful talk and to giving me the opportunity to share my experience with our prospective students. Let me share my presentation with all of you first. All right. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, I can.
All right. So once again, everybody, thank you so much for taking out your time and joining this webinar by the School of Automation. And Professor Yu had a wonderful interview about our school, the research topics, and the research grants, the facilities that we have in our school. So my name is Muhammad Zulkifal Aziz, and today I will be giving a personal perspective about my experience that I had during the last couple of years. So I come from Pakistan, basically, and we have a big community here in NPU that comes from Pakistan. Basically, we are a multicultural and a very diverse community here. We have students from Russia, we have students from Malaysia, from the Central Asian countries, from all over the world. So currently, I'm a PhD student under Professor Yu in the Control Science and Engineering Department. And I'm studying here as a fully funded CSC scholar. Previously, I also completed my master's in the same major under the supervision of Professor Yu. And it was only because of his support and his care that I was able to achieve a lot of honors and recognitions. So to begin with, first of all, I would like to share the challenges that I faced during my learning. As I said that I also did my master's degree from NPU, and currently I'm doing the PhD. So during the master's learning, that was the duration from 2019 till 2022. And as we all know, that was the peak time of COVID-19 pandemic. So unfortunately, I had to go back to my country and I had to carry out all the research activities, the coursework online from my home country. So the number one challenge during the COVID-19 pandemic was the remote learning, because I couldn't access the physical resources at my lab. And due to the time management thing, it was difficult to get in touch with my classmates, with my course mates, with other people from different offices. So this was quite a challenge. But due to the continuous support from the admission office, from the International Students Affairs office, from Professor Yu, from the departmental secretary, from each and every staff working here, I was able to overcome all these challenges, and they tried their very best to provide us all the research tools, and they gave us the access to the research databases and every kind of technical support that I required from them. So during that pandemic time, even though I was away from the campus and I had to do everything online, still I was personally able to achieve a lot of awards and recognitions. First of all, my academic coursework was 90+%, which was one of the highest achievers during my batch. Plus, I was being able to publish numerous research articles in prestigious academic journals. At the end of my degree, in recognition of my efforts, the International Student Office, as well as my department, awarded me with the Outstanding Graduate Award, plus the Outstanding Thesis Award, which was a very fortunate moment for me. Another recognition that I had was the Best Conference Paper Award in 2021. And it was all made possible with the help of Professor Yu and the continuous support by the department. So some advices I would like to give to all of you who are listening, who are joining us today. First of all, take advantage of all the resources. Professor Yu mentioned different research fundings, research projects, the facilities available, which I believe that in most part of the world, in most universities of the world, they lack these kind of fundings and research resources. So if you are planning to join NPU, I would strongly advise you to take full advantage of all the available resources here and try to produce the best as you can. The second thing is that try to get to know more professors, try to make friends with your classmates that comes from different environments, different countries. In that way, you can have a bigger social circle, and the more friends you have, the more connections you have, you may get some help from them in the future in terms of either if you want to find a job or in any aspect of life, that would be beneficial. The third thing is that develop time management skills. You should not be only a bookworm. You should dedicate some time to your personal development. You should learn some soft skills like time management and teamwork. And also, you also have to give time to your research and coursework. And next is that you should be open to new ideas and perspectives because you will be staying here in a very diverse environment. So you will meet people from a lot of different backgrounds. So you should be open to listen to them, to respect their cultures, and listen to their perspectives. And since this is a big opportunity to study abroad, and you should participate in different activities that are organized by the international school. We have a lot of opportunities to excel, for example, in sports or in any kind of area that you are interested in. So you are welcome to come here and join different kind of societies, different kind of clubs to improve your hobbies into something professional. And the next thing is that you have to take care of the physical and mental health. That is the number one thing that you should consider, that you should make your top priority here. Because since we stay away from home, so we sometimes don't get that much attention as our parents can provide us back home. But here, we have to dedicate more attention to our physical and mental health. So that's all from my part. Now I would like to invite Mudasir Jamil, who is my colleague at the Department of Control Science, to share his experience with us.
Thank you, Zulkifal. Thank you very much. Let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay, perfect. Okay, first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to my supervisor, Professor Xiaojun, and to you, Zulkifal. You both have done some outstanding work and research contributions in School of Automation, and you have been an inspiration to me throughout my academic journey, and I feel fortunate to have the opportunity to learn from you guys continuously. And I'm thrilled to be here to share my experience at NWPU and to all the people who are here with us. I'll try to give you a perspective from my side how the life has been for me so far. Basically, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Mudasir Jamil, and I completed my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from GCU Lahore. And soon after, I joined NWPU for my master's degree in School of Automation, and currently I'm pursuing my PhD from NPU in the same School of Automation and continuing my research work in the field of signal processing and deep learning. During my master's program, I focused on combining signal processing with deep learning. This is an exciting field that is rapidly growing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we analyze data. I had the opportunity to work on several research projects that not only helped me gain practical knowledge, but also allowed me to contribute to the field. As a PhD student, I'm continuing my research in this field and exploring new avenues for application. The School of Automation at NWPU is an excellent platform to showcase your research skills and work with some of the brightest minds in the field. I'm glad that I'm a part of this school and university, and I hope to achieve greater success in the coming year. So let me tell you a little bit about NPU. NPU is a prestigious university that is located in Xi'an, that's ancient capital of China. The university has a reputation for its world-class research and innovation in various fields, including engineering, aerospace, and technology. And I feel privileged to be a part of this esteemed institution. And one of the interesting facts about NPU is that it was the first university in China to have a student-designed satellite launch into space. The university has made significant contribution to the field of space technology, and again, I'm proud to be a part of this great institution. And for students who find it overwhelming as a researcher, let me share some of the effective research guidelines with you, because probably you will be a researcher in near future. To become a successful researcher, it is crucial to adopt a varied approach to your work. As Zulkifal has already told you some of the basic guidelines, like to take care of your mental health and to manage your time and take care of everything. Basically, let me dive into the details. Uh, you should aim to use a unique writing style that is clear and concise, and it is crucial to adopt a varied approach to your work. Like you should adopt a unique idea, and while at the same time you should demonstrate your in-depth knowledge on the topic. It is important to maintain a formal writing style and to support your ideas with innovative and well thought out arguments. Additionally, proper citation and references are essential to give credibility to your work. This is very important. And beside your writing skill, researchers must have a clear objective and a well-defined methodology that allows them to stay focused on their research goal. They should also have a rigorous approach to data analysis, ensuring that all the results are accurate and reliable. Another key aspect of successful research is staying up to date with the latest development in your field. Collaborating with other researchers is an excellent way to exchange ideas and knowledge. And School of Automation at NWPU provides you great opportunity to collaborate with other relevant researchers. And finally, it is important to proofread your work carefully to ensure that it is free from errors and meets the standard of your field. By following these guidelines and adopting a diversified approach to your research, you can increase your chance of success and contribute valuable insights to your field. This may seem a bit overwhelming to you right now, but I can assure you, under the guidance of Professor Xiaojun, it was very easy for me to learn this step by step. And we have all the hardware, and we have the facility to, give a head start to the new students, and to basically to inspire you, to motivate you to apply, to motivate you into the application of NPU, why you should apply for NPU. Let me share you uh, pictures of our beautiful campus. This is a Chang'an campus of our institution that epitomize the quintessential college experience. This campus is surrounded by beautiful scenery and modern infrastructure that makes it a wonderful place to study and live. The university provides various sports facilities, including tennis, basketball courts. There's a swimming pool and a gym, giving you plenty of opportunities to engage in physical activities. There are many restaurants and cafes, which also provide halal food as well for my Pakistani fellows. But the life is not just about academics and sports. It's also about exploring new cultures, like meeting new people and creating lifelong memories. And that's what Chang'an campus offers you. As a student of NPU, you will have plenty of opportunities to immerse yourself in Chinese culture and experience it firsthand. The university provides a range of extracurricular activities and clubs that cater to your interest. The International Student Association organizes various events throughout the year, including cultural fairs, sports competitions, and talent shows. These events not only give you a chance to showcase your skills, but also provide an excellent opportunity to learn about Chinese culture and traditions. You also get the opportunity to go on trips to different parts of China, giving you a chance to explore the country's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. The university also has several student societies that provide diverse interest to students, such as music, dance, literature, sports, These societies provides a platform for students to pursue their hobbies and interests and meet like-minded people. In summary, Chang'an campus provides an excellent blend of academic and cultural experience. You will not only receive a world-class education, but also have plenty of opportunities to explore new culture, make new friends. And lastly, I'm grateful to my counselor, some volunteers who helped me throughout my journey at NPU, and I want to give a resounding round of applause to the dedicated team behind NPU's social media presence. Your commitment to sharing valuable updates is an inspiration to us all, and I'm proud to be a part of this institution. Thank you very much.